My OnePlus 15 promptly received the gold badge ColorOS 16.0.7 update. The version number is 16.0.7.200. Currently, only those who signed up for the closed beta version. The official version won't be released until next month. In this video, we'll take a look at what this version update brings. First up is the lock screen island. Now, when we swipe down, the notifications sync to the bottom. When swiping left and right, there is a sticky water droplet animation. Paired with the two shortcut buttons at the bottom, it provides a bouncy and lively feedback. Similar to Fluid Cloud, if there are multiple tasks, brackets will appear on the left and right sides. Now, if we cancel the timer, the brackets disappear. Then, a single tap on the lock screen island turns it into a music cover lock screen. Or you can open the music lock screen by tapping the cover right here. Tapping on the music lock screen interface brings it back to the normal notification banner, and swiping down returns it to the lock screen island. The entire animation is incredibly smooth and bouncy. There's another thing this lock screen does very well, and that is the color picking for the clock. It uses completely real-time color extraction. The colors extracted against different background colors are completely different. Unlocking and entering the home screen, the entire interface feels completely refreshed. In the previous notification center, if the same app had multiple notifications, they were displayed like this, and when scrolling, they moved as very stiff rectangular blocks. But now they've become individual banners, which also feature this bouncy and lively display state. Swiping left, you get that same sticky water droplet feeling as the lock screen island. The icons here also have a blurred mask and will slowly fade in. Swiping the view to the left, you can see that the lid of the trash can also opens. The swipe down animation in the control center has also become more bouncy. The icons have been adapted to the latest materials. The color picking is excellent, and the buttons are very bright. And this isn't just a surface level job. When you tap edit, the buttons in the secondary menu have also been updated with the latest materials. And the same goes for the folders. The level of completion is quite high, though not exactly 100%. For example, the search box and buttons on the -1 screen, or the archaic shortcut menu when you long press an icon, which still uses a two-level menu design, I really don't even have the energy to complain about. I hope ColorOS 17 at the end of the year can redesign this menu. The camera interface has also received a comprehensive update. The buttons at the top all feature real-time blur. These shooting mode options at the bottom, paired with the contour light effect, when you tap or swipe up to enter the secondary, the materials of these buttons match the control center. They all feature the brand new light field design, and the background cards have a real-time blur effect. With these changes, you'll feel like you've gotten a brand new phone. It's very refreshing. The widget for one-click extraction of master mode presets has also been trickled down prompt. It's quite nice that they didn't keep it hidden away. If you see a preset you like, a single tap on the left button allows you to directly extract and import. That wraps up this quick hands-on with the new system on the OnePlus 15. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.